Hello there, beautiful people. Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we have another wig hairstyling tutorial for you guys. This is the Evona Perfect Hairline wig from Outre. So if you want to know all the details on this unit, make sure you check out the iCards and the link in the description. But we're going to go ahead and jump into hairstyle number 1. This hairstyle is super easy and perfect for my babes that just gotta hurry up and get out the house and go. And as you all can see, I'm just lightly putting all the hair up into a ponytail. The key to making this hairstyle look very believable is just making sure that you don't do a super tight and sleek ponytail look. You want to make sure that your hair is kind of pulled loosely so that way it covers the nape section in the back where the combs and the tracks will be. And there you have hairstyle number 1, and as you all can see in the back, we see no tracks, no combs, no nothing, and that's because I didn't tightly pull the ponytail together. Now moving on to hairstyle number 2, and you guys, please don't be rough when you're taking your hair out of these hairstyles. Don't be like me, okay? But next we're just gonna move on to hairstyle number 2, which is another quick and easy hairstyle for my girls that are on the go and you just do not have time to be messing with your hair. So I'm simply just gonna add a nice, cute, trendy, wide headband. You can literally add any type of headband that you want, but you guys, I'm telling you, a headband and a nice wig, it just makes your look go from like a 5 to a 10, okay? So definitely make sure that you pick you up some headbands and some bandanas for this summer season. And before we move on to hairstyle number 3, I'm just having a little singing break right here, you guys. I don't even know what I was singing, but I definitely was feeling it. Now, hairstyle number 3 does require just a little bit more effort, but I promise you guys it is very easy to do. The first thing that I'm doing is parting my hair into a middle part section because I'm actually going to create 2 ponytails on the top of my hair. So I'm just going in, making sure that my part is as straight as possible and that I am not exposing any tracks when I create my sections. And here I'm creating the sections for my 2 ponytails. As y'all can see, I'm trying to make sure that I have some parting space on both sides of the ponytail so that way it looks as natural as possible. And I'm also making sure that I'm covering the tracks behind the ponytails as well as on the sides. So that way ain't nobody clocking us with our hairstyle. We keep it nice and cute. And I'm just taking a nice scrunchie and again placing my hair into a ponytail. And just like how we did the first hairstyle, you want to make sure that you're not pulling your hair too tightly so that way your lace does not start lifting in the front. And if you lovely people are enjoying this hairstyling tutorial so far, definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that way YouTube can know to share this video with some more fine babes like yourself so that way we all can be fabulous together, okay? And there you have hairstyle number 3. So moving on to hairstyle number 4, you guys already know I'm all about a 2-in-1 hairstyle. So I'm simply just taking those ponytails and turning them into cute little ninja buns. And I'm going to be using a bobby pin to secure them in place. Now, I know I said these hairstyles are easy, which they are, you guys, but as you all can see, I was struggling to get this bun to cooperate. So, you know, just keep on trying, you guys. I promise you will get it. And there you have hairstyle number 4. Now moving on to hairstyle number 5. This one is another cute and simple, easy hairstyle. I'm simply taking 2 sections from the front of my hair and I'm braiding those into 2 braids. And I'm actually going to pin these braids to the back of my head to kind of give it like a headband appearance. And as always, you guys, do not forget to drop me a comment and let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. I really want to chat it up with you guys and see what other hairstyle ideas we can come up together with this wig. And once again, I'm just taking the braids and crossing them over each other in the back of my head and using a bobby pin to secure everything in place. Now we are moving on to hairstyle number 6, which is also another 2-in-1 hairstyle, the infamous half up, half down with a twist, of course, with our cute little braids in the front as bangs. And again, make sure that you guys aren't pulling your hair too tight in the ponytail. We don't want our lace to start lifting. And y'all know how I do. I always got to add a little bit of accessories to, glam it up just a tad bit. But of course, this is completely optional. And there you have hairstyle number 6. Now, of course, if you weren't feeling the braids, we can definitely make this a 3-in-1 hairstyle and simply just take those braids right on out. And I'm also going to readjust the ponytail so that way it sits a little bit higher and gives us a different look. And there you have hairstyle number 8. She is giving brunch, she is giving date night, she is giving all of the vibes that she needs to give, okay? Alright y'all, I know the title said 1 wig, 8 hairstyles, but I do have a bonus hairstyle for you guys. Now this one is not as easy as the others, but I'm definitely going to talk you guys through it the best way I can. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I did have to prep this hairstyle about 2 or 3 times off camera before I actually got it right. So as you all can see, I'm creating 2 sections similar to the hairstyle that we did previously with the 2 buns on top. I'm making sure that I'm having all my tracks covered and I'm just having the lace parting section showing on the outside of the ponytails as well as in the middle. Now I'm going to take each section and part it horizontally into 4 different sections, and with each section I am going to secure it in place with a rubber band. So again, I'm just taking my rat tail comb and parting each section into 4 even sections. And y'all, with this hairstyle, you definitely want to make sure that you throw on your favorite song, because I promise you, you're going to be here a little minute, but it's definitely going to be worth it once you finish. Next, I'm going to actually place some of those jewelry pieces on top of each section where the rubber bands are at. And this is just going to be a placeholder for me to actually create the braid pattern that I would like to with these sections. So now I'm going to take each section of hair and cross it over the next section of hair, creating a X pattern. And once you have crossed each section of hair over each other, you're going to take another rubber band and secure the previous section of hair to the next section of hair. And once again, you guys, I'm just taking each section of hair and crossing them over each other and creating an X-shaped pattern. And now here I'm just grabbing all of those sections of hair together and creating a ponytail. And you guys, like, I was super duper surprised at how good this actually came out. Y'all, like, I'm telling you, you wouldn't even know that this was a synthetica if I didn't tell you. And the last step finally for this hairstyle is to take some hair from the rest of the wig and wrap it around the ponytail so that way we can hide that ponytail holder and have a nice, clean, flawless look. And there you have the final hairstyle for this hairstyling tutorial. You guys, I am super duper excited about how this look came out. Definitely make sure you drop me a comment down below of which hairstyle was your favorite. And also do not forget to subscribe and thumbs this video up. And of course, share it with your friends. That way we all can be fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.